Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Okay, so first we need to open up the settings. Oh, not calendar. Settings. Now, go into connections and you need to make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. So select available network, then go back to the main page of the settings. Scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, click on Software Information, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. If it's enabled, we can go back to the main page and click on Developer Options. And to unlock the bootloader, we need to turn on the OEM unlocking feature, but be aware that if you unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and all of your data will be erased. So before the whole process, I highly recommend to create a backup of the data. Okay, so now we need to turn it on, click on Enable, and now we need to click on Delete All. The phone will perform the factory reset. We'll have to go through the setup process and we will verify everything in the settings. Okay, it's going to take a little bit before the phone turns on, so I'm about to speed up the video a little bit. Okay, the phone has turned on, as you can see, and now we need to select our language. I'm about to stick to English, and now we have to go quickly through the setup process, so select that you agree and then click on Next. I'm about to skip the Wi-Fi right now, so the setup process will be much faster. I also don't want to copy any of my data, so I'm about to click on Skip, then click on Next. Click on More, and accept. Same thing with the screen lock, I'm about to skip it. If you want to set it, of course you can do it. That is up to you. Okay, I'm about to skip the Samsung account also. Click on Finish. And now let's verify everything in the settings. So, we have to wait. Okay, the phone has turned on, and now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Settings, connections, Wi-Fi, pick available network. Okay, now scroll all the way down, About Phone, Software Information, tap on the build number, developer mode has been enabled. Now scroll down, Developer Options, and if OEM unlocking feature doesn't appear in here, don't worry, we just need to reboot the phone, so hold the power key, click on Restart, and now let's wait. Basically, the bootloader is already unlocked, but I want to show you that everything in the settings is done properly. So let's wait until the phone reboots. Okay. Settings, developer options. Okay, and we can see that the OEM unlocking feature is turned on, so it means that the bootloader is fully unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.